I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to an Infiniti QX60. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is active and discoverable. Then, navigate to the settings menu on your QX60 infotainment system. Look for the Connections or Bluetooth option and select Add New Device to begin the pairing process. Your car will then start searching for available devices. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Once your phone appears on the car's screen, select it. A pairing code will display on both your phone and the QX60 screen. Confirm these codes match to proceed. Your car may then ask for permission to access your contacts and messages, which you should allow for full functionality. Finally, test the connection by making a quick call or playing some music to ensure everything is working perfectly. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Infiniti QX60 infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. Also, consider connecting your phone via a USB cable. This can provide a stable connection for charging and sometimes for data transfer. Always use a high-quality, certified USB cable to ensure reliable performance and avoid any connectivity problems. Once connected, you can explore advanced features like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto if your QX60 supports them. These systems offer enhanced navigation, music, and communication directly through your car's display. Remember to keep your phone's operating system updated for the best compatibility and performance. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both devices often resolves minor glitches. And hey, while you're optimizing your car's tech, why not upgrade your home too? Check the description below for a link to some fantastic smart speaker deals and other great offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.